Welcome back to Design Time. If you're starting to plan a get-together for Victoria Day or Memorial Day weekend, today's video is all about making your outdoor entertaining simple, stylish, and comfortable for everyone. Whether you're hosting a backyard brunch, a barbecue, or just drinks around the fire pit, I'm going to share some easy ways to set the scene so your space feels warm and welcoming. And at the end, I'll share some thoughtful pet-friendly ideas, so our furry friends are included too. So, grab your favorite fizzy drink, get settled in, and let's dive in. Let's begin with the foundation of any outdoor gathering, your seating area. Think about how your guests will use the space. Can they sit comfortably for an hour or two? Is there a place to rest their drink? Look for seating that's supportive and easy to get in and out of. Chairs with arms, benches with cushions, or even a sturdy outdoor rocker are wonderful. Layer in a few throw pillows, and keep a blanket or two nearby for cooler evenings. Small side tables or garden stools are great to sprinkle throughout. They give people a place to set down a glass or plate without having to reach too far or juggle things in their lap. And as you're arranging everything, try to keep walkways clear and lit up. This helps guests of all ages move around safely and easily. Next, let's talk about the table. You don't need a lot to make it feel special. I like using melamine dishes or enamelware. They're lightweight, reusable, and won't break if someone drops a plate. Add cloth napkins and a placemat or runner for a soft, finished look. Wipeable fabrics are a bonus here. For a centerpiece, try a cluster of mason jars filled with fresh flowers or herbs from your garden. If you're eating in the evening, you can use lanterns or battery-operated candles for a warm glow. You might even add a seasonal touch, like napkins with a soft patriotic print or a small flag tucked into the centerpiece. Nothing over the top, unless you want to, just a little nod to the occasion. Good lighting really sets the mood and keeps your guests safe. Solar lights along pathways are a great place to start. They're energy efficient and easy to install. String lights overhead or along a fence add a festive feel, and battery-operated lanterns are perfect for tabletop lighting. If you're using real flames, look for citronella torches or candles to help keep bugs away. Or tuck a few plants like lemongrass or marigolds into your planters. They're pretty and practical. Outdoor entertaining is easiest when people can help themselves. Set up a drinks table with a fun fruit punch, lemonade, or a chilled bottle of wine. You can add a tray of sliced citrus or berries for a pretty and colorful touch. Make sure the setup is on a surface that's easy to reach, not too high or low. For food, keep things simple. I like using a large platter or a few trays so people can serve themselves comfortably. Lazy Susans are great if you're serving at a round table, no awkward reaching. Having everything prepped ahead of time means you get to enjoy the party too. Just a few little extras can help everyone feel more comfortable. You might want to set out a small basket with things like sunscreen, bug spray, some lightweight wraps, or sun hats. It's a simple way to take care of your guests and make sure they can really relax and enjoy themselves. If it's hot, a tabletop fan or a misting bottle can help everyone stay cool. And try to offer some shade, whether it's from an umbrella, a pergola, or even just a simple canopy. Don't forget to keep the music low enough so people can hear each other easily. It's all about connection. If you have a dog, here are a few easy ways to make sure they can be included too. Set up a shady spot with a comfy blanket or outdoor dog bed so they can hang out nearby without being right in the middle of everything. Keep a bowl of fresh water out, a few toys, and maybe a little jar of treats if they'll be mingling with guests. If you're serving food outside, just be mindful of anything that could be harmful or messy, especially if your dog is curious. I usually set up a little area just for my dog so he knows where he belongs and can relax. If your dog is well socialized and enjoys being around people, a gathering like this can actually be a great opportunity to reinforce good manners. That said, if your pup tends to get overexcited or like to jump up on guests, you might want to wait until after the food is put away before letting them join the fun. It's also a good idea to keep a leash nearby, just in case you need to step in quickly and help them settle down. And keep in mind, some guests may be nervous around dogs or have allergies, so being thoughtful about that makes for an enjoyable party. And of course, if your dog isn't comfortable around a lot of people, it may be better to leave him in the house. After all, his comfort and happiness is important too. I hope this video gave you some great ideas to make your outdoor space ready for May long weekend, whether it's a quiet lunch or a gathering of friends and family. As Emerson said, the ornament of a house is the friends who frequent it. Here's to simple moments, fresh air, and beautiful surroundings, right at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and consider subscribing for more easy decorating tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.